want to show you this puzzle from Taobao. Interesting packaging. Let's have a look what's inside. It looks yummy. That's a fried chicken. And it's quite heavy. You can feel it. Look realistic. Okay, it's funny. And I've got another one. I hope it will be that yummy as well. Okay, it's interesting packaging. Now let it out. That's how it's supposed to hang in the shop. Okay. Ta-ta! Oops! There are 2 eggs. Oh, it feels a little bit weird. It's so sticky. Oh, okay. That's not what I have expected. It's very hard to handle. It's sticky. I don't like it. It's too sticky. What should I... Oh, look at this. No. What should I do with that? I can't even put it in the pocket. It will stick everywhere. Anyway, sometimes you just get something you are not expecting. I don't think it's very useful. Don't buy it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.